traveling along the negative direction of x-axis. If the sound wave traveling along the negative direction x-axis, then all above equations can be obtained by replacing x by minus x, by replacing x by minus x. Therefore इक्वेशन 6 एक फॉर्म लिख लेंगे अपन. Therefore इक्वेशन 6 can be written as y is equal to a sin 2 pi upon lambda in bracket Vt plus x. This is one of the form. 7. ये जितने इक्वेशन है अपने पास, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 5, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6, so on. These are the equation for progressive wave along the positive direction of x-axis. Now we have to obtain the equation for progressive wave when it traveling along the negative direction of x-axis, means left to right. Left to right, this is positive, and right to left, this is negative. So this equation we can obtain by replacing x by minus x. x के जगह माइनस x डालना है, यानी प्लस होगा फिर Vt plus x. तो these are the equation, and this quantity, the quantity टू पाई upon lambda, the quantity 2 pi upon lambda is called as phase shift factor. Phase shift factor or propagation constant. Of the medium. This is the method to obtain the equation for progressive. Now in your book directly you will have to write the equation for progressive wave when it traveling along the positive direction of x-axis and when it traveling along the negative direction of x-axis, and all these equations are the equation for displacement of particle at an instant t. It means that displacement, why be the displacement? X and t, these are the functions. So that displacement of particle as a function of distance traveled by the particle, that is x, and time is a function of distance and time. So that the displacement of particle at distance x and at an instant t is given by a sin kx minus omega t plus phi, where omega t plus phi, this term is called as phase of particle at an instant t, and k with the angular wave number, where k is called as angular wave number, and x with the distance traveled by the sound wave in the surrounding medium. Distance we measure by x. ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, ये पार्टिकल का डिस्प्लेसमेंट है. y with the symbol is used for displacement of particle, is a function of distance and time. So that the displacement of a particle as a function of distance x and time is represented by yxt is equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus phi. Now this is the method, but in the book directly you will have to write equation for displacement of particle is a function of distance and time, is in this way. Therefore this is the case. So this is the concept. This is the equation for progressive wave when it traveling along positive and negative direction of x-axis. Now in the book the equation for progressive wave traveling along the positive direction of x-axis, it means the equation for displacement of particle as a function of distance and time t, distance x and time t is given by y is a function of x and t is equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus phi, where इथं तुम्ही लिहू शकता असं, you can write also equation for progressive in different forms. ये होगा, ये इक्वेशन है अभी अपन बुक में जो है, द इक्वेशन the displacement y is a function of distance traveled, that is x, distance x and time t is represented by the equation y is a function of x and t is equal to a sin kx minus omega t plus phi. This is the equation 1. displacement of particle is a function of x and t, then this equation is represented as yxt is equal to this is where y displacement, x distance travel, t time, t be the time required to travel this much distance, a with the amplitude, k with the angular wave number of waves per unit length is called as wave number. But in terms of angular, because we measure this phase in terms of angle, so that angular wave number x omega with the angular frequency and omega t plus phi with the phase of a particle. This is the equation. Now if t is equal to t0, then equation 1 can be written as y is equal to t is equal to x t0 is equal to a sin omega t0, sorry, is equal to kx minus omega t0 plus phi. Equation number 2 म्हणजे if t is equal to t0, then this equation we can write this indicates that because kx is constant, kx minus omega t0 plus phi is a constant term, and this displacement varies as sign of this term. Therefore, this sound wave performs simple harmonic motion. As displacement y varies as sign of this term, the term kx minus omega t0 plus phi, sign of the function, kx माइनस ओमेगा टी जीरो प्लस फाइ फंक्शन therefore this wave performs a simple harmonic motion if t is equal to 0. Now if x is equal to x0 and if x is equal to x0, then equation 1 can be written as y x0 t is equal to a sin k x0 minus omega t plus phi. If displacement varies as distance travelled by the wave, then the equation for displacement is given by a sin x0. Again this term is constant. This term is constant because it varies with this x0. Therefore, from equation 2 and 3, it shows that the displacement y varies as sine of the functions x and t. Therefore, this sound wave performs a simple harmonic motion. That is, this wave is called as sinusoidal wave. Sinusoidal wave. This is the equation for progressive wave. So in your book, the direct equations are given. There is no necessity of deriving this equation, and directly you use this equation, and displacement is a function of distance travelled by the wave, and displacement varies at distance travelled by the wave varies. Displacement varies as time goes on changing. Displacement of particle from time to time goes on changing. ये पार्टिकल है, ये पार्टिकल ऊपर जाता नीचे आता और नीचे आता और ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आता। समझो इसको 10 सेकंड टाइम लग गया, एक वाइब्रेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए 10 सेकंड, लेकिन इन 10 सेकंड पार्टिकल कंप्लीटेड वन वाइब्रेशन। Therefore, total distance traveled by the particle from its mean position is 0। ये प्लस ए, ये माइनस ए, यानी 0 होगा कि नहीं? हाँ। अभी आपको अगर पूछा 5 सेकंड में कहाँ है पार्टिकल की पोजीशन क्या है, तो इन 5 सेकंड देर इज सर्टेन डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल फ्रॉम इट्स मीन पोजीशन। इट मीन्स दैट displacement of a particle is a function of time. As time goes on changing, displacement of particle also changes from its mean position. This is the first factor. Now second factor is distance. Distance क्या करेंगे अपन? ये distance लिया अपन ने, तो भी displacement बदलता ये पार्टिकल का। As distance traveled by the sound wave goes on changing in a particular direction, the displacement of the particle also changes from its mean position. Therefore, displacement of a particle from its mean position is a function of distance traveled by the particle and time. Function of distance traveled, that is x, एंड टाइम इंस्टेंट t हैं। x एंड t के ऊपर डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिपेंड है। x बदल गया, डिस्प्लेसमेंट बदलता, चेंज होता। t बदल गया तो भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट चेंज होता। यानी डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिपेंड्स अपॉन x एंड t। इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम and distance travel. If these two functions goes on changing, due to which there is changing the displacement. So this is the equation for displacement, and all remaining term, these are the terms are constant term, kx minus this is, and a is constant, और अपन x बदल रही इधर का, तो साइन फंक्शन वेरीज एज दिस, है कि नहीं? अभी यहाँ t बदला है अपन ने, x कांस्टेंट रखा तो भी बदलता। ये t बदल गया तो ये वैल्यू बदल गई, ये वैल्यू बदल गई, साइन की वैल्यू बदल गई, है कि नहीं? साइन की वैल्यू बदल गई, y की वैल्यू बदल गई। इट मीन्स दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल is a sine of this function. Displacement goes on changing as sine of this function changes. Hence, displacement of particle is a sine of particular function, that is distance. Hence, sound wave performs simple harmonic motion. The quantity which varies as sine of particular function, the quantity which varies as sine of particular function, this quantity performs a simple harmonic motion called as vibrational motion. And in this case, this quantity varies as sine of this function. Hence, this displacement of particle performs a simple harmonic motion. This is the equation. Now I stop here.